Hey everybody, this is American in the Philippines. I'm going to try some Filipino snacks today. If I missed anything that you think should be on the list, let me know and I'll do it next time. Let's start with Moby. Looks like caramel puffs, like kettle corn in America. Looks pretty good. Just like big popcorn. It dissolves right away, so I don't think it's really popcorn, or they made it a different way. It's good. It's a full bag too. You get a lot for, I think this was 20 pesos. It's delicious. I could eat this whole thing. This is really good. Let's see. I would say this is out of 10, like a 8.5. Super good. I could eat it all day long. Oh, this is awesome. Okay. So far, so good. Next, let's try something salty. How about these Hi-Ho crunchy cracker nuts? This is the sweet chili flavor. I see these all over the place, so they must be pretty popular. If I can open the bag. There we go. They look like little, nuts, kind of. I guess they're cracker coated. Very crunchy. Sweet chili is right. Not very spicy at all. Maybe a 2 out of 10 spice. But they taste good. It looks like it's peanuts coated in flour, starch, sugar, spices. Here's one that's kind of open. I don't know if you can see the peanut inside. These are great. Hi-Ho crunchy nuts, very good. These would be 8 out of 10. Not as good as the Moby, but still solid. These would be great with beer, I think. So that's another great snack option from the Philippines. I noticed the Philippines has great snacks, great food in general. There are a few things that I didn't like as much, but I guess that's to be expected anywhere. Let's see, we'll try Fudge Bars. This is the vanilla version. I see these everywhere in all the Sari stores along the street. Fudgee bar. It's got 2 E's and 2 R's. Maybe that means it's extra delicious. Let's open it up and give it a try. It kind of looks like a Twinkie. Smells kind of lemony, honestly. I don't think there's lemon in it, but let's try it. It feels soft. Let's open it up. There's a tiny bit of cream inside. Not stuffed with it, but it looks good. I think they cook the cream inside. Normally with Twinkies in America, they inject the cream after. This looks like it was cooked in. Definitely vanilla flavored. It's good. I would say not very sweet, which I think is common here. At least in America, we like things really sweet usually. Very moist. I would say out of 10, this would be 7. It's good. I don't know if I would go out of my way to buy them by itself, but maybe with ice cream it would be even better. Definitely good. My least favorite so far. Let's try something. Try another hot and spicy maybe. These are ding dongs. Filipinos like their clever puns with their snacks. I've noticed that. Like they have grab nuts, ding dongs, a few others. I'm sure we'll get them in the channel eventually. But this is like a mix of, let's see, corn, green peas, cracker nuts, peanuts, and fava beans. There is fiber in here, so I guess it's sort of a healthy snack. Though this one bag has over 3 servings, and this is not very heavy. I could eat this whole bag in one sitting easily. Let's get it open. It's got a little leprechaun on the front sitting on a mushroom. Very cute. Smelling it. Smells good. Smells like chips. I don't know if you can see, like yellow corn, green peas, cracker nuts, plain peanuts. I'll take a small sample and see. You can definitely taste the different ingredients. Each one's a little bit different. The flavor overall is really nice. Something in there is smoky, salty, smoky, a little bit of chili. Garlic's in there. Really good. This is another one that would be really good with like a Red Horse, some other type of beer that you like. The Red Horse is usually what I drink. This is great. I would say Ding Dong Hot and Spicy is 8.7 out of 10. Probably my favorite so far. Very good. Next we'll try something a little odd that I found. This is chicken Nutristar chicken stars. This is the barbecue chicken flavor. It looks good. I've never had it before. I've never seen it before. We'll open it up, maybe. It's very secure. Let's see, I've got a knife. Open it up. Okay. A little funky. A little bit like feet, maybe. Cereal and feet. It's a weird combo. Looks good. Nice little star. More barbecue. Looks like this is made from wheat flour and cassava starch. Interesting combo. It's nice and crispy. All the stars seem to be full in here. They aren't broken into pieces, which is nice. Crunchy. Melts in your mouth. Delicious. Barbecue flavor. Kind of reminds me of barbecue Pringles almost. Different texture, but really good. I could eat this whole bag. This is good. Really good. Nutristar chicken barbecue stars. I would say 8.3. Really good. Not as good as the Moby, but delicious. And you get a lot. I think this bag was 17 or 18 pesos. Very good. Let's see, we'll do. I've seen these cheese rings everywhere, Regent cheese rings. They've always got a little superhero lady on the front. I know from having cheese snacks here before, the Philippines love sweet cheese, which is not something we get in America, but it's delicious nonetheless. Another secure bag. We'll open it up. It smells very cheesy. Kind of like Cheetos smell. Yeah. Kind of like the cheddar seasoning they put on popcorn at the movie theater. Sweet. Ooh, very sweet. Very sweet. Like a dessert. I mean, the rings are nice. They're mostly whole in there. It's good. It takes some getting used to that sweet flavor, but overall, really good. Not my favorite. We'll go with a 7.4. Good. I don't know if I would seek these out by themselves, but they're very popular. So, Regent cheese rings, very good. Let's see. We've got one more. This one I saved for the end. This is another Fudgy bar. This is their Durian flavor. I've had Durian ice cream one time, and it was okay. We're gonna try the Fudgy bar and see what we think. Let's give it a smell. Ooh. There's a little funk to it. It definitely smells sweet. This one I can tell they injected the cream into. You can see the holes on the top. So maybe they do inject it after. It's a little sweet garlic flavor. At least that's the smell. Let's break it open. It looks well done. Let's see, nice and moist. Can't really see the cream inside. It's definitely funkier inside. Okay. Good. It's really good. I think I like it more than the vanilla one, actually. I don't think it's very heavy durian flavor. There's a little bit of aftertaste there. I wonder what my breath is going to smell like after eating all these different snacks. But the durian, very delicious. I would say that's an 8. Better than the vanilla. Maybe it's just because it's a little more moist. Maybe this one is fresher, I don't know, but it's great. Durian Fudgy Bar snacks. Very good. So that's my first round of trying Filipino snacks. Overall, all of them are good. Some of them I like more than others. I know these hi-ho snacks I think were my favorite this round. They were delicious. Everything I've had was pretty good. Filipinos, you did it again. Your snack game is on point. So if you have anything that I missed, you have any snacks that you think are better than these, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to do a review video soon. Thanks guys. Talk to you later from American in the Philippines. Bye.